So we will start now. So today's webinar topic is from skill to strategy competency tracking with Zoho Creator. So before I start the webinar, I want to understand all of your understanding and your understanding with Zoho Creator. So I'll create a poll and send open a poll for all of you, and please respond your answer. So accordingly I will proceed with the webinar. So the poll will be live soon. One second. Please give your response. I will proceed the webinar accordingly. Okay, great. I got the response. So we will start accordingly. So am I audible? Please give me a thumbs up. So, and my screen is visible. Okay, great. So let's start. So I am Vikram Shah and I am a product consultant at SPIKRA. And in this webinar, I will take you from zero to the final stage about the competency tracker app in Zoho Creator. And let's go to the second slide and let's proceed. So what is Zoho Creator? So have you used Google from previously? You can think of it as a Google from in steroid. What does that mean? So in Google Form, you can create a normal simple form. Okay, that means you don't have any customization capability, so that you can build your own logic inside the Google Form. But in Zoho Creator, as it is a low-code platform, it's not a no-code platform, it's a low-code platform. That means you can write your custom logic inside the Zoho Creator form, and you can distribute your app accordingly. So Zoho for creating Zoho Creator, you don't need very deep technical knowledge, and you don't also need very big, large in-house development team to maintain it and to create the app. So, and as we speak, Zoho Creator is trusted by 14,000 plus businesses worldwide. So it's a well-known app, so we can trust this app, right? So what is the competence, why competency tracking really matter? So competency tracking really matter because you want to understand your business capability. What is your employees capability to deliver any project, but where the employees are lacking behind in terms of skill. So that's why you need competency tracking. And if you don't have any competency tracking in-house or anything, any so what, you cannot track your employees capability, and you can't deliver your project accordingly. So the project will definitely hamper the competency tracking for sure. So if you want to align your key employer's key skill with the business goal, you definitely want to track your employees competency level. And you want to, after tracking the competency level, you want to definitely identify the gaps, and accordingly you can invest your resources to train your employee accordingly, right? So next is, what is the common business challenges? So what do I mean by business challenges? So if you like, suppose you take one project from one client, but you don't have the complete visibility that your team can deliver it accordingly, then the project will get hampered. That's why the competency tracker became a very essential for your business. And if you tracking it manually, then keeping track of each and every competency data across various across various businesses, it will be very become very difficult to track everything, right? So what is the business solution does competency tracking provide? So suppose you implement a competency tracker app today across your businesses. That means you can track each and every employee's competency level and what they are lacking, and accordingly you can invest your resources to get train the employee, or you can hire accordingly. That will be a very beneficial and key system for the HR to understand what they want to hire, in which key skill set it they want to hire the employees, right? So next is the improvement of employee performance and engagement. So if you get the employee weaknesses, then you can invest and you can engage the employee accordingly, and you can align the business's goal accordingly. So that will support the fair and structured evaluation process, and that will help the HR to evaluate and upgrade their pay structure accordingly. So so after that we will go directly to the use cases, and I will show you how we can track your competency level across organization. And let's go to it. So this is a simple competency tracker app. It's built totally using Zoho Creator, and here you can see here is business line. What is business line? You can think of it as a business vertical. You can enter your business vertical name accordingly. Like suppose I have already entered the customer success, product and engineering, and sales and marketing in the business line name. Okay, so after business line, after business vertical, you can have the function. Like what are the function? Inside the customer success, there are technical support team. Okay, so inside the product engineering, there is software development team, and you can put your function name and your business line name accordingly. And if you don't have this kind of structure for your business, you can customize it accordingly. We can customize it because it's a low code platform, and Zoho give each and everyone the possibility and creativity to implement the app accordingly, according to our business need. And after that we have division. I created the business structure accordingly. That's why it is showing the division. If you don't have division, you can name it anything, or if you don't have any division as such, you can let it be as it is. You don't need to add the division. And here is the division. Division is under business line, and under business line there is function, and under function there is division name. What is one division name is tier 1 support. Tier 1 support falls under functions, and the functions technical support function falls under customer support. So these are the small from which I have created. So you can enter the role name. Like suppose I have a role name in tier 1 support. Let's suppose I want to create a tier 2 support role. Let's create that. Tier 2 support, which falls under which grade. You can get it, you can name it anything. Let's give grade C. And where the tier 2 support falls under, it falls under which division? It falls under tier 1 support. So where tier 1 support falls under? Tier 1 support falls under technical support, and after technical support, it falls under the business line called business customer support. So you can create and submit and create that. And let's go to the all employee section. And suppose you have tens of thousands of employees, and if you and after that you can put your employee from here. You can download the list from. You can download the form from here, from export. You can export it as CSV or XML, Excel, XV, and anything. If you want, yeah, whatever you want to export it, and after exporting it, you can put it in your Excel file. And Excel inside Excel, you can put your employee name, employee ID, their email, under which division they falls in, their role, function, etc. And after that, you can import it. You can import the after putting each and everything data field, you can import it from your local system, then it will show there. So if you want to manually import each and everything one by one, then you can import the name and everything from here also. So after that, let's go to the benchmark rating. So let's go there. So here it's a auto populated field which I have created using Zoho Deluge script. So what is auto populated field? If I put customer success in business line, inside customer success there is only one thing. See, inside customer success, if I go to the function, inside customer success there is only technical support. So the technical support will only be shown here. Okay. So if I put customer success, then I put technical support, and then after that I can put tier 1 support, and inside tier 1 support there is support executive, which is under role. So inside the support executive there are many employees. You can give their employees a competency name. Suppose what is the requirement for the competency name in the customer support executive? Empathy could be one thing. You can put empathy, you can put customer understandingness, whatever you want to put, and you can give a benchmark rating. What is benchmark rating? Benchmark rating is nothing but just a rating for applicable for this role in across your business division. Okay. So after that, we will go to the competency questionnaire. So inside competency questionnaire, you can put the rating. It's a ID. You can put anything, and inside employee, you can select the employee email, and inside the competency name, you can put anything, whatever is your requirement. And under type, you can select it as baseline, and in the benchmark rating, you can show it as whatever the requirement. If it is a basic, you can select it as basic. If it is an expert, you can select as expert, and it is not applicable, you can select that also. And inside self rating, employees can put their self rating here, but inside manager rating they can put their manager can put the manager rating for their subsidiaries. And you can do the self versus benchmark rating, and you can show it as a report also. Okay. So the report can be shown here. You can, after populating the data, the report will be shown here. Okay. And inside that, I already created some of the rating here, the analytical thinking for self rating, what is the benchmark, and after that we will go to the assessment questionnaire. Assessment questionnaire is the main form which will be shown to the manager or the self. Self means the employer. So inside that they can put their rating here. So suppose it is self, and let's put one employee email which I have already created before. Let's copy that, paste it. The manager name, one second. So it will redirect me to the original form which I have created before. We will show that later. So if I put the employee email, it will automatically pick up under which business line, which function, which division, which role it falls under, and it will auto populate there. Okay. So after that, we can put the employee email. employee email, I can auto populate that also, and competency name, that can also be auto populated, but I have not done that yet. So you can put it whatever. Let's suppose competency A, competency, and I can give a self rating. Let's suppose I am an expert at it. Okay, after that you can update it. Okay, so another thing I can show you. So if I want to create anything else, let's suppose I want to create a form. Okay, you can create a form from here, and other than form, there are reports and pages and workflows also inside that. So what is workflow? Workflow is nothing but, let me show you one workflow which I have created before. Workflow is nothing but the logic which I have already told you. If you want to create a custom logic that is applicable for your organization, you can put the custom logic here, and accordingly the form will function. Like suppose I auto populated the business line, the function, division, roles, everything here, right? So you can create that function, create the custom logic like populate view and populate the fields, everything. You can auto populate, or anything you want to do anything further, you can do whatever you want. So uh, I was I was So what is from? From is nothing but, you can think of it as a Google form, and that's it. And what is report? Report is nothing but a analytical tools. Okay. So I can show you one report. This is one report. What it is? It is a report. It's a list report. Other than list report, you can create many others report also. Okay. And what is space? You can put up, you can think of it as a dashboard. Okay, so after creating reports, you can show the all of the required reports inside the page. That's the work of page. Page is, think of it as a dashboard for your business. So after completing the competency tracking, you can show your business manager or anyone, the business head, you can show them the page, you can show them the dashboard, and accordingly they will proceed further. So this is the so I forgot to show you another thing, which is the form. So what is this form about? So this is a form which is published for the outside, and after publishing the form, you can share this form with the employees and the manager. And the manager and the employees don't need any Zoho Creator license to fill up the form. And if you want to create any admin access form, then you need the license. Okay. So do you have any questions? If you have any questions, you can write it here, and I will answer all of your questions after completing the webinar. So let's this is the organization structure which I have shown you: the business unit, function, division, role, employee, and everything. And what the workflow steps that will define the roles and competency. The set baseline. Baseline means the base competency level. The self manager rating. The analyzation report, which I have shown shown you in the report section. And the reports for leadership. The reports for leadership, you can think of it as a dashboard from which will be shown to the leadership. That's it. And publishing and accessibility. So I have already told you that you don't need any Zoho logging or Zoho Creator license to fill up the self rating and manager rating, everything. So if you want to create the total Zoho Creator, the app, you need the license. And if you want to keep the rating, you don't need any license. So after that, let's go to the summary. So what is the purpose of creating the competency tracker? I think you have got that. And what is the summary? You can, after creating your organization level competency tracker, you can track all of your business competency level, and across division, across the business unit, you can show it. So so I will open the Q&A section now. If you have any question, you can let me know, and I will answer all of your question. Let's go there. You can put it in the Q&A section if you have any question. I will answer it. I have not got any questions till now, so I think everything is fine. So let's go to the last section, which is what our customer says about us. So we have created a solution for Barry Wilmer company, and their supply chain management director, he said that thing about us, which we have helped them. So you can go to this link, and you can see their review from here, and that's it. So I would I would like to thank all of you to spend your valuable time with us. I hope I can deliver you that value for your time. And if you have any questions, or uh, if you want to create anything, or if you want to know anything further, you can contact us at sales@spikra.com. So that's it. So thank you for joining. Bye bye.